What's up, my homie?
Tocaba.
Oh, we're going to the home. Wait, wait. It'll be a little longer. This is my last home place. Let's go to my house. Let's go. Okay, we're heading in the top floor. What is the first floor? See as I step. Big boy, small boy, crocodile, something, cloud, and a panda, riding a pigeon. This is a panda, fly, capybara, panda, bear, some crab, robot, and let's go to my second floor, which is my bedroom. Let's go. Okay, just wait. So this is my bedroom. We got one bed here with a lion. The other bed is the safe. Hey, that's a song, bro. Okay, got my money, and this is my bedroom. This is all my friends. This is my little kitty. Little kitty this, little kitty that. It's Lexi, it's Quentin, Sarah, all of my stuff. Bong, here's all my money, bro. All my money. All my money. Let's go to the one floor. Let's go. Okay, so we're here in the third floor. There's nothing much about it. Look at that. Someone. Okay, let's go to the zero floor. Maybe we'll do something weird. So this is the first floor, zero floor. The entrance. And this is the what is this? Below. And the start is good. This that's my house. Bye, guys.